Hi, and welcome to our new Maestro Tips episode. Well-organized cost reporting and analytics are one of the keystones for any effective infrastructure. Maestro is really good in the cost information gathering, processing, and displaying the important trends, details, and recommendations. Let's see how it works. The main tools Maestro uses are the Analytics dashboard, reporting page, instance insights, and notifications. The Analytics dashboard is the main entry point where you can get the most important information, which is updated once any new data is available. Here, you can see the overview, the information about the budget utilization, top costs by different parameters such as service, region, resource optimization items, and security statistics. You can see the data in charts and tables, as well as chart tables into graphs for better visualization. In addition to main data review, the dashboard gives the possibility to introduce changes or dive deeper into the detail. For example, by clicking an item in the quotas table, you open the Manage Quotas wizard where you can check and update the tenant's monthly budget settings and specify Maestro behavior once the budget limit is reached. In Optimization section, you can click an item to review the list of the instances within a selected category. For example, find the instances that are up and running all the time so that you can review them and decide whether they should be active or need a schedule for automatic stop when not used. Clicking on the Qualys Cloud View widget gives more information about the security checks on your tenant. Here, you can also request a detailed report that will be sent to your email. The tables on the dashboard provide historical data on cost changes by specific parameters. These can be cost by regions, services, or resource types. The arrows next to the numbers in the last column show the trend as compared to the previous month. You can click on the value to dive into the number details on the reporting page. And this is a perfect time to take a closer look here. By default, the reporting page provides a month-to-date information about your tenant cost in the selected cloud. The values update as soon as Maestro gets the updates from the provider's side. There are reports of different detailing, the total, subtotal, report by cost objects, and others. If your infrastructure is tagged properly, you can also see the cost by specific tag, for example, owner or environment type. You can dive deeper into investigating a specific instance state and recommendations on the management page. Here, you can see its performance metrics and basic insights created based on performance, utilization, security, and cost information. The basic tips are in the instances section, while insights give more detailed recommendations split by categories. Each insight includes a criticality level, the explanation, and the fix-it button you can use to react immediately on detected issues. The reports aggregate billing, optimization, and security data, analyze it by different parameters, for example, trends or possible improvements, and give you the details you can use to verify that the infrastructure performs as expected or needs a review. For information to be effective, it is necessary to schedule it properly and to balance carefully between the timely delivery of the necessary knowledge and keeping it easy to get and process. This is where the Maestro calendar was born. It is a calendar of Maestro events, reports, and notifications sent regularly to Maestro users in order to notify them of important events and changes in their infrastructures. To make sure that each user receives only relevant information, we also split all reports by user level and make sure that emails delivered to a specific user face their tenant role and needs. You can find all notifications sent by Maestro not only in your email box but also on the notifications page. Here, you can see the brief information about each letter, filter notifications by different parameters, and see a specific notification review and content. Let's look into a couple of analytics report examples. Here, you can see a summary report sent to top management at the end of a billing month. The report gives the general expenses trends across organization, details by tenants, information about possible optimizations, and budget quotas. Using this report, a manager can understand whether the current trends in cloud usage meet the enterprise expectations and address a respective responsible person for investigating unexpected numbers within a specific tenant. The next example is a report providing the possible optimization items within a specific business unit that has resources across several clouds. Here, you can find possibly forgotten resources, unattached volumes, native advisor recommendations, and possible monthly savings. Our third example will be a right-sizer report that provides possible virtual machines optimization scenarios. The machine learning-empowered mechanism analyzes each virtual instance's capacity and load pattern and suggests scaling, shutdown, and scheduling. The recommendations are accompanied by the information about expected savings. To sum up, Maestro has a wide range of tools and mechanisms that enable effective infrastructure review, analytics, and recommendations. It gives extra value to native providers' offerings by unifying the data across multiple clouds and giving extra information and recommendations using its own integrations. This is only the first video touching upon analytics and reporting. While we are preparing more, feel free to see our blog by the links in comments.